Plant-mediated green route to copper oxide nanoparticle synthesis with Calotropis gigantea. This important article is authored by the following scientists: a facile, innovative and affordable green route has been demonstrated for the formation of copper oxide nanoparticles by a biogenic method using aqueous leaf extract of Calotropis gigantea, which acts as a reducing and stabilizing agent. Copper nanoparticles received much attention owing to their high electrical conductivity, high liquefaction point, low electrochemical migration behavior, and low cost. The property of copper nanoparticles mainly depends on the synthesis route and their process parameters. The prepared copper oxide nanoparticles were characterized by a host of different techniques such as X-ray diffraction, XRD, diffuse reflectance spectroscopy, DRS, zeta potential and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, FTIR. The XRD pattern confesses that copper oxide nanoparticles are associated with orthorhombic structure. The DRS absorption spectrum shows band gap energy corresponds to a wide band gap semiconductor. The FTIR spectra indicate the presence of chemicals which are responsible for the biochemical reaction. The zeta potential value revealed the stability of copper oxide nanoparticles. Thermogravimetric analysis, TG, and differential thermal analysis, DTA, are used as thermoanalytical techniques to study the synthesized NPS. Introduction. Nanoparticles are minuscule particles with unique properties that differ significantly from those of individual atoms or bulk materials. In recent decades, scientists have focused on synthesizing metal nanoparticles, such as copper oxide, CuO, due to their exceptional characteristics and potential applications in areas like catalysis, electronics, and medicine. Traditional methods of synthesizing CuO nanoparticles often involve chemical processes that can be harmful to the environment. A more eco-friendly approach involves using plant extracts as natural reducing and stabilizing agents. For instance, the leaves of the Calotropis gigantea plant have been utilized to synthesize CuO nanoparticles. In this green synthesis method, the plant extract reduces copper salts to form CuO nanoparticles, eliminating the need for toxic chemicals. The resulting nanoparticles exhibit a monoclinic structure and have been characterized using techniques like X-ray diffraction, XRD, scanning electron microscopy, SEM, and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, FTIR. These green synthesized CuO nanoparticles have shown promise in various applications, including enhancing plant growth, removing dyes from wastewater, and exhibiting antibacterial properties. For example, they have been used effectively to decolorize methylene blue dye in water and have demonstrated significant antibacterial activity against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Additionally, when applied to Vigna radiata, green gram, seeds, these nanoparticles have improved germination rates and seedling growth, suggesting potential benefits in agriculture. In summary, utilizing plant extracts like those from Calotropis gigantea for the green synthesis of CuO nanoparticles offers a sustainable and effective alternative to traditional chemical methods, opening up new possibilities in environmental remediation, agriculture, and medicine. Conclusion. Researchers have developed eco-friendly copper oxide nanoparticles, CuO-NPs, using leaf extract from the Calotropis gigantea plant. Characterization techniques, including X-ray diffraction, XRD, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, FTIR, and UV-vis diffuse reflectance spectroscopy, DRS, confirm the successful synthesis and properties of these nanoparticles. The CuO-NPs exhibited a wide band gap of 2.9 eV, indicating their potential as semiconductors. Additionally, cyclic voltammetry (CV) analysis demonstrated their effectiveness as electrochemical catalysts, suggesting applications in sensors and biosensors. These findings highlight the potential of Calotropis gigantea leaf extract in producing stable and non-toxic CuO nanoparticles for various technological applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.